Quran proclaims, Ya ayyuhan nas ittaqu rabbakum alladhi khalaqakum min nafsin wahidah wa khalaqa minha zawjaha wa bassa minhuma rijalan kathiran wa nisaa. Now here some people have stumbled. It says, be careful of your in respect of your dealings with one another, who created you from a single living entity and made its mate thereof out of. People say, look here is the story. That Adam was made first and Eve was made out of the rib of Adam. If they could have learned a little of biology, probably they could have been able to understand what God Almighty is saying here. We know in biology that the unitary cell, which is the basis of life, multiplies itself through fission. The cell is like a sort of cup. You may imagine it, a very, very tiny cup. The fission takes place in that, and when the fission takes place in that, two walls emerge in the middle of that cell, and then these two walls or these two screens separate from one another, and in this manner, one cell becomes two. Khalaqakum min nafsin wahida never says that Khalaqakum min rajulun wahid, created you from a single man. It is only saying created you from a single living organism. And as we know in biology, the single living organism, which is the basis of life, is the unitary cell. And the unitary cell multiplies through fission. That is something very well known and which cannot be debated. It is that cell which evolved to become Adam on one side and Eve on the other. That was the first cell which came into being. Of course, I have not to talk here on the evolution of man. But actually, that story, that cock and bull story type of thing, you see, which is there, is not mentioned in the Quran or in the Hadith.